Assets Manager lets you manage your campaigns, your inventory, any email templates you might have, all your business reasons, and your address book in one place. Let's define what those actually mean. Campaigns are used to create bundles of items to offer more than one item to a user. These are great for ongoing campaigns or really just to save yourself time if you're constantly sending the same group of items over and over. Inventory. You'll be able to see all your inventory stored with Imprint Engine through your portal. And I'm talking everything, meaning real-time inventory, which fulfillment center your stuff's in, which departments it's assigned to, and all the product details. Oh, and the best part? Every time you buy new products, our team at Imprint Engine takes care of setting it all up for you. No sweat. They're like inventory superheroes, swooping in to save the day, making sure everything's accurate, and saving you from a mental breakdown. Email templates can be used with individual sends or bulk sends. These are perfect for repeating messages that you're sending over and over. Business reasons. These are great for tracking expenses, assigning budget categories, or tagging sends for your reports. You know, all the stuff that makes your life way easier at the end of the month and the accounting team really happy. Plus, these can be customized specifically for your company. The address book. When you're making a send, you have the ability to control where those items can be shipped. This could include a fixed address or a list of addresses. You can also let them enter in their own address. Heck, you could even do both if you really want to keep things interesting. This can help prevent users from shipping to the wrong location and help you control where users can ship their item. An example of this would be if you were sending out a holiday gift to your employees, but you only wanted them to ship to the office they work at versus their individual homes.